They should be there. Oh no, no, they're here, brother. Sorry. And you need to start learning how to slide down.
Yeah.
Otherwise you're never going to make it as a coach.
Right. Is that recorded?
Yeah.
Sweet.
What's weird is the grip is so thin.
Yeah.
That's the bit I don't like. Maybe you just need another grip on it, Chris.
But my other bat has the thinnest grip I've ever used.
Oh, so it's just the bat.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one didn't resonate, that's fine. Does feel a bit weird already though. Oh, ball. Ball that quicker. Right, I'll go back to an old bat. Mad, innit?
Yeah.
Like you and your bat, me and my bat, innit? Weird changing, innit?
Yeah, big time.
Just a slight change could fuck things up, you know.
Shut.
Oh, fuck. Oh! I've gone too early. You confused me, that.
It's weird, isn't it?
It's nice. Do it more. Yeah, because I've got to let the ball pitch, I'm not letting it pitch. It's okay. Oh, pity. Pity muscle memory, eh? Get you balling it quicker.
Yeah, because I'm just.
Normally I would have got away with sweeping something
Yeah.
there. It's alright. Let go now.
Yeah.
Let go, because I still should be bowling on mine. I never got it one day, I was on tour with Guy. And I wasn't bowling my 4-watt ball at Ashfield.
Yeah.
Because, come on Ash, bowl it! And I never got it until after. It's good. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's just got to let go without worrying about making mistakes. Because if you go and see what it's about promotion,
Yeah.
accuracy will come once you let go. It's really well ball. Really well ball. Swing it in, you know.
Yeah.
You'll get wickets with this.
Should do.
And then
Hopefully.
your slow ball is a leg spinner.
Yeah.
That gives you road back to your arch. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Very good bounce there, yeah.
Cross him.
Yeah.
Come to
Oh, I did it again.
Shut.
See, I don't know, sometimes the position happens, yeah.
Yeah.
With yoga. This back's nice. I think Light bats are great when you're tired.
Yeah.
My hands felt too heavy. Interested in this? Different tools.
Shot again.
Sky with a walking stick at the end. Yeah, I should play hockey or not. That'd be better at it. No, look good. Keep on the front foot. Bowling! Very good. Hold! Hold! Hold, brother. You still need knocking in it.
Yeah.
I can tell. Oh, you cheeky fucking bastard. Even that bowling.
Yeah.
I think he stopped.
Yeah. Not used to the feeling of that.
You will get there, but just think, don't stop.
Yeah.
Well, now what's the worst can happen?
Shot.
Sorry, I've got a style of hitting.
Why are you apologising before you hit the ball? That's your job.
I know, but I've got problems in it. Sometimes I think too
Don't
much.
feel sorry. I'm the one who should feel sorry. I've got some poor fielder. I have to chase that. Shot.
Fuck yeah, boy! Sorry, I was just practicing what I preach.
Don't apologise. I don't like it.
Okay, no more. Oh, I felt good then.
Yeah, feel good. Don't feel bad. That's the wrong mentality, isn't it?
That was a proper shot, yeah.
100%. So feel good. Shot.
Where's the bottom man a bit tight, really?
Shot. Gonna come around.
If you need to move the camera.
It's okay. I need to come from that angle anyway. Oh, wow.
Picked it up.
Jesus.
Whoa. You know what? Smart. Real smart. Not giving the room, eh? That's really smart. And it's good because if somebody does get on top of you, which is good, you've got training for it.
Shot.
Do you like my signature at the end?
Yeah.
It's a good signature. Me and Abdullah got identical signatures now on the sweet shot. If you hang around with somebody enough, no matter how you become the same, women's periods synchronized. Did you know that?
Yeah.
If they live in the same house, how mad is that? Oh, that's brilliant! Lovely, nice for you to get that feel back. When you release, it's that momentary thing again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Try and find what that tastes like. Promise you. Alright, next one, next one. Just remember up and over, up and over. Next one. Yeah, back there.
Yeah.
You know, back there, should I see old muscle memory coming back? Stay. It's like lifelong learning, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why is this game so lovely? Oh, you quicker one! Come here. Oh, come on, man. I gotta take these things in, man. Fucking hell. That's really good. And, we'll come back.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I think I've moved before the ball pitched. Oh, ball, man. That was fucking good, mate. That's the thing. How can I get LBW leg stump when my leg never goes onto leg stump ever? Does it?
One of them, no way.
Now, I'm just saying, I know where my stumps are, bro. And I know how bad. Sorry.
That's a good one, your fault.
How long do you want?
As long as you want.
Nah, I'm done 5 minutes.
Sam.
Oh, come on, wait for it! Fucking idiot. Go for a whole load of shit there. No, because you beat yourself up and silly. Just creates more tension. Involved. Wait. Let's start going after them. I think I still want to whack it. Oh, 6 7 8. Let's go. Next one, right idea. Last two are feeling a bit too draggy down in. Yes, that's alright. I think maybe just add a little propulsion to your run-up, because you noticed you went with the flow from your run-up from, you could be like Rashid Bhai, who needs a run-up and then good. See the flatter, better. That was
No,
nice.
you didn't feel right.
Oh.
But one got a bit that felt right.
Okay. Feels important. That's why we do it. But yeah, you'll figure it out. Just the thing is, we used to do a lot more of it, I think.
Yeah.
Are you going to bowl yourself tomorrow?
I'll bowl the seam up. Not leg spinner. I'm not touching a leg spinner until I get it perfect.
Okay.
Until I can bowl 6 in a row of it, I'm not going to do it.
Oh. Right. Next one.
I just need a fucking shit.
Okay, two. Oh, do you want a few more then?
Yeah, even if you come out, I'll bowl.
Okay. Oh, then I'll carry on. I like batting. Unless you want me to come out.
No. Stay there. If you're happy to stay there, stay there.
Yeah, I just love batting. Oh, don't often get me leaving, man. That's fucking fun. That is really good. Oh!
I figured out how to do the seam up properly.
That was really. I went too
You have to
early.
hold the seam up like you hold the cross seam. I didn't realise that.
God. I don't even know what you're on about. But bowling. Bowling. Oh, try and get my structure back again. Brilliant. Go ball, boy.
Shot.
Ah, come on, too early. That's making me so fucking get home, man. So I've got a few away with it, and it's mad how the train gets away with it. Oh, ball. Really low ball.
Shot.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, fucking LD on the leg stump, but yeah, go. Oh, come on, Ash! What else think I'm gonna cover drive? You can't have these fucking wibbly wibbly wobbly wobbly fucking bombs. Sorry. Clear mind, man. Trailing's fucking dangerous, man. Good consistency, last 6.
Yep.
Want to finish on while you're in rhythm, please, yeah? Oh, you beauty! I did that last week, you know. I just forget I'm playing a game. This game is so like radio station. See, I had to calm myself. Can't stay Smith life, man. Finish on that, please, yeah?
Yeah.
That was probably something that if you can put a repeat on that ball, that's the one you want to clone up.